A short quiz is waiting for you at the end of this video. Please comment your answers below. We have a cup here full of succulent leaves. Let's arrange it on top of dry soil. Don't cover it as air is very important. I have an experiment on this found at the end of this video. Be sure to place it in bright indoor. Bright light is crucial. I have an experiment on this found at the end of this video. No watering yet until 2 weeks or when roots start to grow. Let's see what happens after 2 weeks. Normally roots start to grow in 2 weeks and new plant growth in 4 weeks, although some grow roots first while some grow new plants first. Here, we can see roots start to grow. Some have new plant growth while some don't have yet. Some begin to dry off. Mostly, you will lose about 10 to 15% of the leaves, they will not survive. It's time to mist it as it is capable of absorbing water through its roots. After 3 weeks, let's see the growth progress. At this time most leaves have roots and growth. Try to examine these leaves and compare it with yours. Mist it as you see fit. Misting is necessary to keep roots from drying. At 6 weeks or more, it's time to pot it. Otherwise some might start to dry. Use a loose soil, a fast draining one. And barely cover the part where the new growth and roots meet. Mist or water it. When they get more stable you can start treating it like an adult succulent. Water it full with intervals. Here's our short quiz. Why it's important not to water in the first 2 weeks. Please comment your answers below. And please subscribe.
Mm-hmm.